ever wondered what this term AI native truly means? You might have heard this term a lot of times in the news or in updates, but you really don't know what is it different from just knowing about AI and what are the trends and the latest and the greatest in the field of AI. Well, AI native is a different mindset. The way in which you come to work every single day, the way in which you set up your workspace, the way in which you invoke the agentic AI tools, all of them have to be rewired in your brain in order for you to work with it in the most efficient manner. As an AI literate myself, I have been a professor, I have been a business owner, I have been an industry lead, teaching and building AI all my life. But becoming AI native was actually a brain rewire even for me. There are tons of tools out there. So how do you even know which one to get started with? There are plenty of templates to begin with. So which one is the right one that fits your needs? And also, if agents are getting better every single day, if you are not learning right now, can you wait for the agents to really get perfected and then work on it? Or do you really have to start working on them today? All of these questions are constantly swarming in your mind and you're thinking, can I ever be AI native? Let me tell you, my friends, yes, you can. And it can take you as less as 7 days if you really put in the discipline in order to keep with it and in order to make sure you are using the same agentic AI builds every single day. It's just a matter of organization and what should you do first, what second, what third, and so on and so forth. In this video and in this sequence of tutorials that I'll be creating, I'm going to be showing you how I apply the agentic AI knowledge and the native AI skills that I have built over the last couple of months in order to utilize them on the public domain tools and the skill sets that I have learned and how to rewire, how to reorganize the way of thinking so that I can use vibe coding to my advantage so that I can make my own day efficient and I can also make sure that I stay current and updated with SOTA, with state of the art, with research papers, as well as with tooling. Trust me, today is the day where tooling is advancing way more faster than research papers are being produced. So it's a fascinating time to live in, but it's also scary. So the best way to deal with your FOMO is to just get started. Your starting point might be different from someone else's starting point, but if you can get started, you will be able to get to that point where you can say, I am AI native. So let's get started with these sessions and ensure we live without any fear of AI. For our first session, we will need just 2 raw materials, ChatGPT and Replit. Let's get started to build our first website. Subscribe, share, and follow for more.